Well, think about this. We are going on a full year right now. 1 year where those working in the healthcare industry have put their lives on the line every day to help keep others like you and me safe from this coronavirus. And this month's Making It Matter, our Maggie Smolka recognizes our local heroes, and that they certainly are, who have been on the pandemic's front lines from day one.
Making It Matter is brought to you by Burger and Grain.
In many ways, the coronavirus pandemic has turned our world upside down.
There is no magic wand to wave to get us back to where we want to be.
For almost a year now, we've been isolated from our loved ones. We've even had to say goodbye to some of them far too soon. Businesses have been struggling, schools have had to go remote, and restrictions have been put in place to help slow the spread of COVID-19.
Hi, Penny. How are you today? It's Dr. Hallahan.
But it's people like Dr. Hallahan from Penn Highlands Healthcare.
So what brings you in?
Who work tirelessly to keep us all safe.
One of the nursing facilities where I go to, we started having COVID cases. All right, Penny, I'm just going to take a listen here.
Dr. Hallahan helps take care of some of our most vulnerable patients.
Those lungs sound good.
In the fall, she spent weeks away from her family and stayed at a nursing home in Orbezonia to try and prevent COVID cases from spreading rapidly.
You know, obviously going into medicine, you know that you're going to have to make tough choices, some sacrifices, and it was just, I don't know, something that you feel inside that you need to do, and I wanted to do to be there.
For our healthcare workers on the front lines, medicine has looked different in many ways.
One of the things that we're facing is, just the sheer number of patients that are ending up needing to be admitted.
Naveen Yalapa is a physician at Geisinger Lewistown Hospital. Every day he's seen what this virus can do to a person and working around the clock to help patients regain their health.
People do get very, very sick. In spite of whatever we do to help them, they still end up not doing well. And that for me that is definitely emotionally draining. You're like, you want to try to make sure they're doing well and they get better. And sometimes that doesn't happen.
The pandemic has affected every aspect of healthcare. For those working in the hospital, everyone has to play their part. It's a team effort.
It's definitely an increased responsibility, and we made it head on in our department. We're very conscious of what we have to do and what we do.
Terry Weekland and Leslie Shope may not directly take care of patients at Conema Miners Medical Center, but they're the ones responsible for keeping everything sanitized.
Every 2 hours we go around just wiping door handles, railings, all touch areas, all high touch areas, just constantly wiping, making sure everybody is safe, not only the patients, but the employees as well.
So many people are out there fighting for us to make sure that we're staying healthy, risking their lives every day to save others. But they don't hesitate. In fact, they're thankful to do the work.
Did you ever think, going into this profession that you would ever deal with something like this?
No, but I think I could say for a lot of my colleagues, this is what you get into this job for. It's to help people who are sick.
Can you describe how your job has changed since the coronavirus pandemic has hit?
So yeah, we're seeing more patients, our days are longer. And yeah, it's a little more stressful just when you're dealing with patients who are so sick and have the capacity to get worse quickly.
Some of the gear that we have to wear.
Abby Schaefer works as a registered nurse at Conema Nason Medical Center. She was only months into her career when the pandemic hit.
Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought we would be living this. I was actually one of the first nurses to have our first person under investigation for COVID.
In many ways, the coronavirus has turned our world upside down.
It has been a very different year.
But when our world stops, our healthcare heroes are the ones that keep us going.
We see every day, day in and day out, we are seeing the worst of it.
These are the people that help carry us through, give us hope as we work together to end this pandemic.
We are all heroes. It's not only healthcare workers. That's what we have to believe.
There's not enough time in one story to honor all of those who are making a difference. But for everyone on the front lines, just know we're forever grateful for your bravery and for your strength. I'm Maggie Smolka for WTAJ News.
Yeah, we certainly are. Maggie, thank you for that. As always, if you know someone or an organization that is making it matter in our community, Maggie wants to hear from you. You can send her an email or reach out to her on Facebook by searching Maggie Smolka TV.